Hey skin artistry beauties, we're back with another facial video, and this time we have our beautiful client Zoria coming in for a Blemished Beauty Facial, which is our acne facial. She's a model, so she wears a lot of makeup, so it's important for her to get a facial monthly to keep her skin looking fresh and healthy on and off the camera. So our Blemished Beauty Facial is a 1-hour facial. I didn't get to record all the steps, but in this video we'll show you the main steps when you book an acne facial with us. First, we start off with double cleansing, and that consists of 2 different cleansers to remove any makeup and dirt. We gently massage your face with the cleanser, making sure we really get in there to remove any excess oil from the day. So right now we are getting ready to do the extraction part, but before we do extraction, we apply the enzyme that I didn't get to record. So this tool right here is our ultrasonic scrubber, which is a gentle exfoliation tool. The ultrasonic waves helps loosen dead skin cells and remove oil and dirt from your pores. It also helps our skincare products to penetrate deeper into your skin and work more effectively. Oh, and the professional skincare line we use is called Skin Script, which is also available on our website and in spa. Now we are using our high frequency tool to help treat and prevent stubborn acne. This tool safely kills acne causing bacteria underneath the skin. It can also minimize inflammation and redness. Our client has a pimple that wasn't ready to pop below her eye, so we made sure to focus on that area with the high frequency tool, and most likely will go down in the next few days. We applied our green tea mask that you briefly saw, then we put our LED light therapy on top. And when our client books an acne facial, we use the blue LED light, which treats acne and help prevent future breakouts. While the mask and the LED lights are working wonders on the skin, we give our clients a nice, relaxing hand and arm and shoulder massage. And then after 10 minutes, we remove the mask and apply our toner, serum, moisturizer, and SPF. You cannot forget the SPF. And this video is a little shorter than our normal video. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and make sure you hit the follow button. Thanks for watching.